This is Chef LeBron. Today we're going to make very delicious scallop with a creamy pasta. Let's begin.
First, season the scallops with flaky salt. Get your pan very hot and add butter and olive oil. Take your scallops and place them in a circle around the pan. If you don't hear the sizzle, then your pan is not hot enough. After 1.5 minutes, flip your scallops. Okay. Add 1/2 cup of white onion and 6 cloves of garlic. Mix it around in the butter. Add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Add 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Add 1/3 cup of chicken broth. Add a pinch of salt. About 2. Pepper. Allow this to reduce down until it's creamy. Looks like it's ready to go.
Okay, let's try this.
Out.
Everybody come here. Thanks for the delicious meal, LeBron, Chef LeBron.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it out, LeBron.
Pasta is very creamy. Now I'm gonna try the scallop here.
Like it?
It is salty, but it's not that salty. I know it's hard to explain, but this pasta actually balances out. It's perfect combination.
Yeah, the scallops are nice and sweet, and then the sauce is has the acidity of the tomato, but then that creaminess to it. You should make this more often.
Yeah, we should.
You happy?
Yeah. Can you see my smile? This is really similar to the scallop we had at that fancy restaurant in Connecticut. It's pretty good. Yeah, New Haven. I also really like the garlic in it. It gives you the sweet taste to it.
I didn't cook the scallops with the pasta because I wanted to maintain that caramelization that we had on the scallops. So I think, placing them on top is probably a good call. It might be good if you mix it all together, but again, I always like that nice sear on the scallop. That's what I kind of look for.
Oh, I feel like this might go well with the wine.
The white wine.
Maybe next time we start drinking wine.
You're gonna eat yours before I do.
Pretty good.
I think also like putting the onion and garlic in with the butter that we use to sear the scallops gives the pasta that seafood flavor to it. So definitely don't waste that butter from the seafood, from the scallops.
That's why you gotta eat fast. Okay?
Someone's bound to
Somebody's
steal
gonna
off your plate while you're
Don't say
talking.
steal. Somebody's gonna take your food.
I'll
out
call
of
it what
your-
it is. You stole it.
No, I just helped you out, okay? Not sure if you can finish it all, so I'm gonna help you out.
I can finish it. I just can't eat it as quickly as you can.
I don't usually eat very fast in general, but this is pretty good. Just say,
Compliment, I guess.
Ivan is just right next to me. He's asked me where my dinner is gonna be.
I guess you beat me.
Do you need help?
Here, I need to hold the plate.
Okay, you got it. Can you tell Chef LeBron is very proud of his recipe? It's very good, Chef LeBron.
Good job, little man.
Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!